Research complete.
Let's go!
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about the C#.NET programming. This is the tutorial number 13 about folder browser dialog, how we can apply in this project. Okay, now let's start step by step. First what you do, search button. Okay, and one is text box. One is text box. Yes, now select these two and go to font. Let's change it. I'm enter here 16. Okay, now click to this one and go to text, change the text. Okay, open folder. Sorry, like I'm at here location. Okay, location. Now click to this one and what we do, let's increase the size. And you see right now the tag name is textbox1. Let's change it. Yes, name textbox1. I'm enter here folder text. Okay, folder path or folder text path, like this. Okay, now what we do, let's modify. Okay, now double click to location, or we can say switch. Okay, now you need to enter code in between this function. Now yes, one thing, go and let's search here folder browser dialog. Okay, drag on your form like this. You see, right click here and go to property, and you see the name is folder browser dialog 1. Okay, this is your tag name, and you see this is the select path. Okay, now what you do, let's double click location. Now enter here folder browse dialog 1. Okay, dot. Okay, now enter show dialog like this. Okay, now we need to save the file path in a one folder. Okay, now brackets. Yes, now I have like a folder text path. Okay, dot text. Okay, now I want to save a file location in this text. Okay, or we can say in this location. Now I'm entering folder text path dot text, and we need to save the folder file path, folder browser dialog 1 dot. Now you need to enter select path, this one. Okay, everything is done. Now what you do, let's click to start and let's see the output. Okay, now click to location and you see dialog box is open. Now let's choose any folder, or we can say go to PC and go to D folder. Now I'm click to HTML or IoT, or we can say Arduino, like this one, and let's click to BT connect like this and click to OK. Okay, now you see D Arduino BT connect. Okay, it's working well. Now let's change this location. Now click to location and let me check LM35 and click to OK, and you see D Arduino LM35. This is the location path. Okay, now let's change again, and right now what you do, let's go to C. Okay, and program files, and right now what we do, go to MATLAB, and in the MATLAB let's check to Win and Win32. Like click to OK, and you see the location C, program files, MATLAB R2021 and Bean and Win32. Okay, this is the location. Okay, it's working well. Okay, and you can modify more, like color. You can use the color property. Okay, like what you do, I'll show you. Okay, now enter folder text path. Yes, dot back color. This is back color equal to color dot which one. Right now I need to use red, like this. Okay, now click to start and see the output. Okay, right now right now you see the background is white. Now click to location and let's click to CLD or SubVI. This is the location. I click to OK and you see the background color is changed and white into red. Okay, and this is the location. See user uh, Pradeep, desktop, CLD and SubVI. Okay guys, thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.